Hello students. Today we are going to discuss a chapter 1 from Maths 1, that is linear equations in two variables. We are going to have first revision of it, and then I am going to discuss some multiple choice questions. The equation of the type ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the general form of linear equation in two variables, where a, b, c are real numbers and a, b are not equal to 0 at the same time. The value of xy which satisfies this equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 are called solution of the equation. The value of determinant a, b, c, d is equal to ad minus bc. So it will be like this a into d minus this b into c over here. Just see how this determinant is written. Now we are going to discuss about Cramer's rule. Let us see what this rule talks about. If a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 are the two simultaneous equations, then this will help us to find out the value of this x and y. For this we have to use determinant d, which is made up of a1 b1 a2 b2. Then dx is c1 c2 b1 b2. dy is a1 c1 a2 c2. The value of x can be given by dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Now we are going to start with multiple choice questions. Which of the following is a linear equation in two variables? Options are A, 2x square minus 1 is equal to 0, B, x square minus 4y is equal to 8 minus 3y, C, 2x minus 4y is equal to x minus 5y, and D, x upon 2 plus 4 upon y is equal to 5. Now out of this, the A, here you can see the index of x is 2, so that will be ruled out. Here also it is x square, so it cannot be included. Whereas over here y is in the denominator, so D is also not the correct answer. The only answer over here is a C. Next question. To draw the graph of 4x plus 6y is equal to 20, if x is equal to 2 is taken, then what will be the value of y? Options are A, 4, B, 3, C, 2, D, minus 3. Answer is C, 2. For this, just we have to substitute the value and we have to see what is the answer. It is 4 multiplied by 2 plus 6y is equal to 20. So this is 8 plus 6y is equal to 20. Therefore 6y is equal to 20 minus 8, that is 12. Therefore y is equal to 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Now let us go for the next question. Here is the question. For the equations with variable x and y, if dx is equal to 28, dy is equal to minus 14 and d is equal to 14, then y is equal to how much? See here the value of determinants are given to us and then we have to find out the value of y. Let us see the option. A 1, B minus 1, C minus 2, D 2. So answer is B minus 1. Now how to solve this? It's very simple. You have to use the Cramer's rule. Y is equal to dy upon d. So it will become this minus 14 divided by 14 is equal to minus 1. Next question. Which of the following is not the solution of 4x plus 3y is equal to 6? Options are A minus 3 6, B 0 2, C 3 minus 2, D 2 1. So answer for this is D 2 1. See how to find out. For this we have to substitute these values in this equation and we have to find out the answer for each one. If it satisfies the equation, we can say it is a solution. If it does not satisfy, then it is not a solution. For example, in the first case, this will become 4 multiplied by minus 3 plus 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to minus 12 plus 18, which is equal to 6. So this satisfies the equation. Therefore, minus 3 6 is a solution. If you go for second one, 0 2, you will find the same thing. 4 multiplied by 0 plus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0 plus 6, which is equal to 6 over here. So it satisfies the solution. Therefore 0 2 is a solution. The next one, C, it will be again same manner. 4 multiplied by 3 plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Therefore 3 minus 2 is also a solution. If we go for last option, that is D, then it will be 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8 plus 3, which comes out to be 11, which is not equal to 6. Therefore the 2 1 is not the solution. The next question over here is the value of determinant A is equal to 2 root 3, 6, 4, 4 root 3. Options are A minus 16, B 0, C 24, D 8. Answer is B 0. Let us see how to solve this. So it will be like this. This 2 root 3 multiplied by 4 root 3 minus this 6 into 4. So this comes out to be 2 into 4 will be 8. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So 8 into 3 will be this 24. Minus 6 into 4 will be 24. Therefore 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. Therefore answer is B 0. Now let us go for a next question. See what is the question over here? For equations 2x plus y is equal to 19 and 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 3. Value of D will be. So you have to find out the value of D. Options are A minus 8, B 8, C minus 44, D plus 44. Answer is A minus 8. Let us see how to do the calculation. For this we have to consider the coefficient of first equation and the second equation. Here the coefficients are 2, 1. So I have written it as a 2, 1. In the second it is 2 minus 3. So it is 2 minus 3. So according to rule, the value will be like this: 2 multiplied by minus 3. So this is 2 multiplied by minus 3 minus 1 into 2. So this 2 into minus 3 comes out to be minus 6. and minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2. So this minus 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Therefore, answer is A, minus 8. Now, here is the next question. If 7x minus 13y is equal to 72 and 13x minus 7y is equal to 132, then x plus y is equal to how much? Options are A 10, B minus 10, C 6, D minus 6. The correct answer is A 10. Let us see how to solve this. For that, we have to subtract 7x minus 13y is equal to 72 from the second equation. 13x minus 7y is equal to 132. So let's see, 13x minus 7y is equal to 132 minus 7x minus 13y is equal to 72. So this will become 13 minus 7, that is 6x, and this is minus 7 minus of minus 13, that is plus 13, will become plus 6. So this will become 6x plus 6y is equal to 132 minus 72, that is 60. So we will get 6x plus 6y is equal to 60. Dividing both sides by 6, we will get x plus y is equal to 10. Here is the next question. The solution of the equation x plus y is equal to 20 and x minus 2y is equal to 2 is. Options are A 14 6, B 6 14, C 14 minus 6 and D minus 14 6. This equation you can solve by any of the method, that is either Cramer's rule or solving the simultaneous equation. So the answer here comes out to be A 14 6. Next question. If 5 minus 7 3y is equal to 21, then y is equal to how much? Options are A 3, B minus 3, C 0, D 7. Answer is C 0. For this, you have to solve this determinant. Let us see how to solve. We have to go for cross multiplication. 5 into y minus of minus 7 into 3. Therefore, it becomes 5y plus 21 is equal to 21. Therefore, 5y is equal to 0 and therefore y is equal to 0 and hence answer C 0 is the correct answer. Find dx for the equation 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Options are A 50, B minus 50, C 25, D 25. Answer is A 50. To solve this, we have to consider the coefficient of y in both the equations as well as the constants over here. Let us see how to solve this. See, this dx is equal to, I am going to write the constant in the first column, that is 10 and the 5. Then I am going to write the coefficient of y in the second column, that is minus 4 and the 3. The next cross multiplication, 10 into 3 minus of minus 4 into 5. So this comes out to be 30 minus of minus 20, that is 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. Therefore, answer is A 50. Just now I had discussed some problems along with the solution. Similar type of problems you have to find out from the chapter and you have to practice it. If you like this information, then click on the bell icon. Thank you.